Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at where to download CorelDraw. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we get back to the tutorial here. So like I mentioned in today's video, we're going to be looking at where to download CorelDraw. So now we can go there through two ways. Either you can go to am.co.za. Then what you want to do under the main menu, you go to support, and then we're going to click this first one, the cncu.co.za. You can obviously also go in your URL and then, or in your main URL, and you just click there, type in cncu.co.za, and then it will bring you to their home page. Now under their home page, you want to go far to the right by the menu called More, and then you want to go down till we see one called Other Software. We're going to click this. Now their header is quite big, so it has loaded, so just keep in mind you need to scroll down and then you will see the other software options. Then we're going to scroll down till we find a folder called CorelDraw. Let's just zoom in here for you guys. You can see we've got it there. I'm going to click that, and then it's going to open the page again. Scroll down, and now we have to select which year model. So depending on which license you bought, this is now where you want to go relevant to that. So I'm going to go CorelDraw 2024. Then we're going to scroll down again, and now we have a few different options. Now you'll see we have the 4 different packages here. So we've got the CorelDraw Creative Suite. Let's get my mouse right, and then we've got the Standard, Technical, and then we've got the Essentials. So that is the 4 main ones that you can be looking at. This is obviously a 2024 version. Now you might also notice we have 2 different options here. So we've got the complete package, and then we have download and install under that. So I'll just zoom in so you can see. So behind the name itself, it will say complete package, and then under at the bottom, it will be download and install. Then the main difference of this is the complete package is going to be larger, so it's a large file, and also ideal for modern systems. So if you're running a modern computer, then I would recommend using this one. Where at the bottom here with the download and install, it's going to be way smaller because it's going to just get the download or the installer, I don't know what you call it, exe basically, and then once you run that, then only it's going to download it for you. But this one is also better for if you're running an old system, then I would recommend use one of these. Now on top here, what I did, I've already done it. I just used the actual zip package. So I didn't download that. The top one, if you click here, it'll go into the actual folder structure so you can see what's within it and download it like that. But I just went simply downloaded the zip and then unzipped it afterwards for installation. But yeah, so then just a quick recap again. So in order to download this, what you want to do is go to cncu.co.za, you go to More, Other Software, navigate down till we find CorelDraw, click that, select the year model, which in my case 2024, and then select the relevant package. And once you select the right one, it should start the download for you, and then place it wherever your downloads go to. In my case, it will be my download folder. But yeah, otherwise that is it on where to download CorelDraw. In the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do, or should I say, if you do not find the videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.